Are you looking for ways to make money on Meta's Threads? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore genius ways to monetize and make money on Threads by Meta. Whether you're a skilled or unskilled user, we've got you covered with simple monetization ideas that you can start implementing today. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts, we'll show you how to grow your income on Threads and make the most of this exciting new app. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money on Threads. Here are some ways to make money on Threads. 1. Affiliate marketing. This is the top method to earn money on Threads. You can promote products or services on your Threads account and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. I will show you the best affiliate programs and a winning strategy for each of them as we go along. 2. Sponsored posts. You can also make money on Threads by posting sponsored content. Brands may pay you to create posts that promote their products or services. 3. Sell products. If you have a business, you can use Threads to promote and sell your products. 4. Create and sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables on Threads. 5. Offer services. You can offer your services on Threads and get paid for them. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you can offer your design services to other Threads users. 6. Donations. You can ask your followers to donate to your cause or support your work on Threads. 7. Use Threads to drive traffic to your website. If you have a website, you can use Threads to drive traffic to your site. By sharing links to your website on Threads, you can attract new visitors and potential customers. Now let's go into details and build a good strategy around these simple ways. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to earn passive income on Threads. Here are some expanded details on affiliate marketing. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards affiliates for each customer or sale that is generated through that affiliate's marketing efforts. It involves promoting other people's products in exchange for a commission on any sales. You search for products you like, promote them on your socials and website, then earn a commission from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links. 2. Affiliate marketing programs. There are several affiliate marketing programs that work well on Threads, including Amazon Associates, Cincher, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate, previously Commission Junction. When deciding on which affiliate program to join, it can be tempting to look for higher commission sites first. But if you are planning on going the distance with growing your affiliate influence and brand, choose programs that have growth potential. Find your niche and stick to products that align with your brand and your audience's interests. 3. Types of affiliate marketing programs. There are several types of affiliate marketing programs, including pay-per-click, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-sale. Pay-per-click programs pay affiliates for each click on their affiliate link, pay-per-lead programs pay affiliates for each lead generated through their link, and pay-per-sale programs pay affiliates for each sale generated through their link. 4. Affiliate marketing best practices. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to follow best practices. These include finding an affiliate program that's a good fit for your audience, creating valuable content that promotes the product or service, using multiple channels to promote the product or service, and regularly measuring and tracking your progress. 5. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to grow your business and earn passive income. It allows you to reach more people who are interested in your niche, diversify how you reach clients and customers, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Sponsored posts are used to increase brand exposure by targeting a specific audience. They look like native content on the social network, blending with organic content in the user's feed. Sponsored posts can be created by both brands and creators, and they can be used to achieve real business results and get the most out of your ad budget. Here are some key points to consider when creating sponsored posts. 1. Know your audience. The first step in creating effective sponsored posts is to know your audience. This will help you create content that resonates with them and increases the chances of them engaging with your post. 2. Choose a relevant product or service. Research the product or service to ensure that it aligns with your audience's interests and needs. If the product or service is not relevant to your audience, they are unlikely to engage with your post. 3. Create valuable content. Create valuable content that promotes the product or service. This can include images, videos, and text that highlight the benefits of the product or service. Use multiple channels. Use multiple channels to promote the product or service. This can include social media, email, and other marketing channels. 4. Measure and track your progress. Regularly measure and track your progress to see how your sponsored posts are performing. This can help you make adjustments to your strategy and improve your results. Selling products on Threads can be a great way to generate revenue. Here are some ways to sell products. 1. Selling on your own e-commerce website. You can sell products on your own e-commerce website. This gives you complete control over the sales process and allows you to build your brand. 2. Selling on social media. You can sell products on social media platforms like Threads by creating posts that promote your products. This can be a great way to reach a wider audience and increase sales. 3. Selling on online marketplaces. You can sell products on online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. These platforms have a large audience and can help you reach new customers. 4. Selling at trade shows and events. You can sell products at trade shows and events. This can be a great way to meet potential customers and build relationships with them. 5. Selling through influencers. You can sell products through influencers by partnering with them to promote your products. 5. This can be a great way to reach a wider audience and increase sales. Selling through affiliate marketing. You can sell products through affiliate marketing by partnering with affiliates to promote your products. 6. This can be a great way to reach a wider audience and increase sales. When selling products on Threads, it's important to know your audience, choose a relevant product or service, create valuable content, use multiple channels, and measure and track your progress. By following these best practices and using the methods listed above, you can effectively sell products on Threads and generate revenue. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to earn money on Threads. Here are some expanded details on how to create and sell digital products. 1. What are digital products? Digital products are items sold online that don't have a physical form. They can be sold repeatedly without having to stock up inventory. Digital products include music, fonts, Photoshop templates, e-books, courses, printables, and more. 2. Benefits of selling digital products. Selling digital products can be a great way to earn passive income on Threads. Digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly to different customers without having to replenish inventory, making them ideal for creatives, bloggers, educators, and freelancers looking for passive ways to make money online that require less effort to maintain. 3. How to create digital products. To create digital products, you need to identify a need or gap in the market, conduct market research, define your niche, choose a reliable e-commerce solution, use high-quality images and product descriptions, and create valuable content. You can use tools like easy digital downloads, Canva, and Adobe Creative Suite to create digital products. 4. How to sell digital products. To sell digital products, you can use your own e-commerce website, social media platforms like Threads, online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy, and affiliate marketing. You can also sell digital products through influencers by partnering with them to promote your products. When selling digital products, it's important to know your audience, choose a relevant product or service, create valuable content, use multiple channels, and measure and track your progress. 5. Popular digital products to sell. Some popular digital products to sell on Threads include e-books, courses, printables, stock photos, music, and software. You can also create and sell digital products that are specific to your niche, such as social media templates for bloggers or design templates for graphic designers. By understanding what digital products are, the benefits of selling digital products, how to create and sell digital products, and popular digital products to sell. You can effectively create and sell digital products on Threads and generate revenue. While there are no direct ways to make money on Threads, these methods can help you generate revenue indirectly. By building your following, promoting your business, and networking with other users, you can create new opportunities for revenue generation. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.